Margaret, 73 years old, noticed her ankles swelling again. Her doctor mentioned her kidney function declined during her last visit, and she wondered, could the food she eats actually help protect her kidneys? If you're over 65 and concerned about maintaining healthy kidney function, you're not alone. Millions of seniors face similar challenges: rising blood pressure, troubling lab results, that nagging worry about what comes next. But here's what most people don't realize. Certain everyday foods contain powerful compounds that may support kidney health in ways that complement your medical care. Today, we're exploring 10 scientifically studied alternatives to the commonly mentioned kidney foods. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're accessible, affordable options you can find at any grocery store. Each one has been researched specifically for its potential benefits in supporting kidney health for older adults. Before we begin, remember this information is for educational purposes only and should never replace your doctor's advice. Now let's discover these 10 remarkable foods that might just become your kidney's new best friends. Food number 10, blueberries. These tiny powerhouses are among nature's most effective kidney detox foods. Here's what makes them remarkable for seniors. Research focusing on older adults showed incredible results. Those given blueberry supplements experienced a 30 to 35% reduction in creatinine levels. That's the waste product your kidneys should be filtering out. But wait, there's more. Inflammatory markers dropped by 40 to 50%. This matters because chronic inflammation accelerates kidney damage as we age. The secret weapon? Compounds called anthocyanins, those deep blue pigments that give blueberries their color. They combat what scientists call inflammaging, the persistent, low-level inflammation that increases with age. Here's great news for seniors watching potassium intake. 1 cup of blueberries contains only 114 milligrams of potassium, making them safe for most kidney-conscious diets. Cost-wise, they're budget-friendly. Fresh blueberries run $3 to $6 per pint, while frozen varieties cost $2 to $4 for 12 ounces. Frozen maintains nearly identical benefits with year-round availability. Your daily dose? Just half a cup. Toss them in morning oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or enjoy them straight as a sweet snack. Your kidneys will thank you. Food number 9, fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These omega-3 champions deserve a starring role in any chronic kidney disease diet. A massive study following over 25,000 participants with an average age of 67 revealed stunning results. Regular fish consumption reduced chronic kidney disease risk by 8 to 13%. Even better, it slowed the annual decline in kidney function that naturally occurs with aging. The magic comes from EPA and DHA, 2 specific omega-3 fatty acids. A 3.5-ounce serving of salmon delivers 1.2 to 2.3 grams of EPA and 1.8 to 2.9 grams of DHA. These healthy fats work like bodyguards for your kidneys. They reduce inflammation in those delicate filtering structures while supporting heart health. Crucial since cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer in people with kidney problems. Here's what seniors need to know. Choose wild-caught fish when possible to avoid added chemicals. If buying frozen, check labels for sodium-free options. For those on blood thinners, consult your doctor since omega-3s can enhance these medications. Preparation tip for seniors with chewing difficulties: flake cooked salmon into soups or salads. The anti-inflammatory benefits remain just as powerful. Food number 8, extra virgin olive oil. This liquid gold transforms into one of the most powerful kidney-friendly foods when you choose the right type. Here's what most people miss. Not all olive oils protect your kidneys. You need high polyphenol varieties that contain over 900 parts per million of protective compounds. These act like tiny shields, protecting your kidney cells from daily damage. Why does this matter for seniors? As we age, our kidneys face constant assault from free radicals, those unstable molecules that speed up kidney decline. High-quality olive oil neutralizes these troublemakers before they can cause harm. Italian research showed remarkable improvements in kidney markers after just 9 weeks of daily use. But here's the senior advantage. Olive oil also supports heart health, brain function, and may even help with joint comfort. Shopping tip for seniors: avoid clear bottles sitting under bright store lights. Light destroys the beneficial compounds. Choose dark glass bottles with recent harvest dates. Easy integration for busy seniors. Replace butter with olive oil when cooking eggs, drizzle over steamed vegetables, or use as a bread dip instead of margarine. If you have trouble swallowing pills or capsules, try coating them with a small amount of olive oil first. The slippery coating helps pills slide down more easily. Some seniors also take a small sip of olive oil before and after their medications to make swallowing smoother. Storage matters for seniors buying larger bottles. Keep olive oil in dark, cool places away from stove heat. Light and heat destroy those precious compounds. Food number 7. Green tea. This ancient beverage delivers modern natural kidney support that's perfect for seniors' daily routines. Picture this: 64 people with diabetes and kidney problems drank 3 cups of green tea daily for 12 weeks. The results? Total cholesterol dropped 25 points, blood sugar control improved significantly, and here's the kicker: no negative effects on kidney function whatsoever. What makes green tea special? EGCG and catechins, powerful antioxidants that activate your body's internal repair systems. Think of them as tiny mechanics fixing cellular damage before it becomes permanent kidney harm. Here's why seniors love green tea. It's gentle, affordable, and tackles multiple health concerns simultaneously. Blood pressure support, brain protection, and kidney care all in one warm, comforting cup. Temperature matters for seniors with sensitive stomachs. Never use boiling water. Heat to 180 degrees. That's when you see small bubbles forming but not a rolling boil. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes maximum. Timing tip for medication users: drink green tea between meals, not with pills. Some compounds can interfere with iron absorption and certain medications. Food number 6, pomegranates. These ruby red fruits pack serious power as kidney health foods for seniors. 101 dialysis patients received pomegranate juice at each treatment session for an entire year. The results were remarkable. Cardiovascular hospitalizations dropped 36%, while infection-related hospitalizations decreased 40%. These are life-changing numbers for seniors facing kidney challenges. The active compounds are punicalagins and ellagic acid. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress that accelerates with aging and kidney problems. They also support immune function, addressing infection risks that increase when kidneys aren't filtering optimally. Pomegranates offer unique advantages for seniors managing multiple health conditions. The anti-inflammatory effects extend throughout the body, potentially helping with joint discomfort and overall well-being that often decline with kidney issues. Fresh pomegranates are seasonal, typically October through February. The seeds require some effort to extract, which can be challenging for seniors with arthritis. 100% pomegranate juice offers year-round convenience at $2 to $8 per bottle. Label reading is crucial for seniors monitoring sugar intake. Many pomegranate products contain added sugars that counteract health benefits. Look for 100% juice or no sugar added labels. Start with half a cup of fresh seeds or 4 ounces of pure juice daily, then gradually increase to 6 ounces as your body adjusts. Food number 5, walnuts and tree nuts. These crunchy powerhouses play a surprising role in kidney disease prevention for seniors. A comprehensive analysis of over 6,000 individuals revealed something fascinating. Regular nut consumption was associated with lower rates of chronic kidney disease development. Even better, a focused study of 13 kidney disease patients showed that 30 days of walnut consumption didn't increase problematic minerals like phosphorus or potassium. Walnuts provide vitamin E and healthy polyunsaturated fats that combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to age-related kidney damage. Unlike many protein sources, these nuts offer lower phosphorus content, making them more suitable for people managing kidney concerns. Here's what seniors need to know about selection. Always choose unsalted varieties. Added sodium can spike blood pressure and strain already vulnerable kidneys. Raw or dry roasted options work best. Storage tip for seniors buying in bulk. Keep nuts in airtight containers in cool, dry places. Rancid nuts not only taste terrible but can actually increase inflammation in your body. Portion control matters. Tree nuts are calorie-dense, so moderation prevents unwanted weight gain that can worsen kidney function. Your sweet spot? 1 ounce serving. That's approximately 14 walnut halves, 3 to 4 times weekly. This provides beneficial nutrients without overwhelming your kidney-conscious meal plan. Food number 4. Cranberries. These tart little berries rank among the most researched foods that support kidney function with specific benefits for older adults. Brazilian researchers studied 25 kidney disease patients with an average age of 57 years. After 2 months of cranberry extract supplementation, participants showed measurable anti-inflammatory improvements and enhanced antioxidant status throughout their bodies. The active compounds are called proanthocyanidins, or PAC. These work through sophisticated cellular pathways to reduce inflammation and support your body's natural defense systems. The same compounds also promote urinary tract health, an important consideration for seniors who may face increased infection risks. Fresh cranberries are extremely tart and seasonal, typically available September through December at $3 to $6 per bag. Most seniors find them too sour to eat plain, but they work wonderfully mixed into oatmeal or baked goods. Unsweetened cranberry juice provides year-round availability, though label reading is essential. Many cranberry juices contain massive amounts of added sugar that can spike blood glucose and counteract kidney benefits. Cranberry supplements offer standardized dosing and convenience, typically ranging from $4 to $15 per bottle with consistent potency. Start with 1/4 cup fresh cranberries mixed into yogurt, 4 ounces of unsweetened juice, or follow supplement package directions, usually 500 milligrams twice daily. Food number 3, turmeric and curcumin. This golden spice stands out among anti-inflammatory kidney foods for its well-documented effects on reducing chronic inflammation that accelerates kidney damage in seniors. Multiple studies have demonstrated curcumin's ability to reduce creatinine levels by 0.08 milligrams per deciliter, while significantly decreasing proteinuria. That's protein spillage, indicating kidney stress. Animal studies have shown up to 75% reduction in protein loss. The active compound curcumin works by inhibiting NF-kappa B, a cellular pathway that drives chronic inflammation throughout your body. This is particularly relevant for older adults, as aging naturally increases inflammatory processes everywhere. Many seniors appreciate turmeric's additional benefits for joint comfort and back pain. Common complaints that may be related to kidney problems or their treatments. It's addressing multiple age-related issues simultaneously. Here's the absorption secret. Curcumin alone isn't well absorbed by your digestive system. Combining turmeric with black pepper significantly enhances absorption. The compound piperine in black pepper increases curcumin uptake by up to 2,000%. For seniors with digestive sensitivities, start with smaller amounts and take turmeric with food to prevent stomach irritation. Those on blood thinners should consult their doctor first, as turmeric can enhance these medications. Add turmeric to warm milk before bed, sprinkle into soups and stews, or blend into smoothies for natural pain relief alongside kidney protection. Food number 2, beetroot. This vibrant vegetable offers unique potential for kidney function improvement through its exceptional nitrate content and cardiovascular benefits. A controlled study of 17 kidney disease patients showed that beetroot juice providing 300 milligrams of nitrates significantly reduced blood pressure by 10 to 15 millimeters of mercury while improving renal resistive index, a measure of kidney blood flow that predicts cardiovascular outcomes. Beetroot works by converting dietary nitrates into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. This is especially beneficial for older adults, as arterial stiffness increases with age and contributes to both kidney problems and cardiovascular risk. The betalains that give beetroot its deep red color provide additional antioxidant protection, while natural betaine supports important cellular processes that decline with aging. Warning for seniors: beetroot can cause beeturia, where your urine turns pink or red. This is completely harmless, but can be alarming if you're not expecting it. It affects about 10 to 14% of people and indicates your body is processing the betalains properly. For best results, consume beetroot juice 2 to 3 hours before meals when nitrate absorption peaks. Start with smaller amounts to assess tolerance, as some people experience mild digestive upset initially. Concentrated beetroot powder mixed in water offers convenience for seniors with busy medication schedules. And now, the #1 food that researchers are calling nature's dialysis. This remarkable kidney protector will surprise you. Food number 1, tomatoes. These everyday kidney protective foods deliver extraordinary results, backed by one of the largest studies ever conducted on women's health. The Women's Health Initiative followed over 96,000 postmenopausal women for 20 years, revealing that higher lycopene intake was associated with a 39% reduction in kidney cancer risk. This protective effect was most pronounced with 10 to 15 milligrams of lycopene daily. Lycopene provides powerful antioxidant protection against oxidative damage that accumulates in aging kidneys. Here's the fascinating part. Cooking tomatoes increases lycopene bioavailability by 2.5 times compared to eating them raw. Don't remove the seeds. Tomato seeds contain additional antioxidants, healthy fiber, and compounds that support blood vessel health, crucial for maintaining proper kidney circulation as we age. For seniors managing blood pressure, tomatoes offer potassium benefits with 270 milligrams per medium tomato, supporting healthy blood pressure without excessive loads. Avoid commercial tomato products with added sodium. Choose no salt added varieties, or better yet, make your own sauce at home using fresh tomatoes, olive oil, and herbs. Heat activation works best. Cooking tomatoes with olive oil creates maximum lycopene absorption while avoiding harmful preservatives found in many processed versions. Implementing these foods into your senior kidney diet doesn't require dramatic changes. Small, consistent steps create lasting benefits. Start by choosing 3 foods that appeal to you most. Perhaps add blueberries to your morning routine, include fatty fish twice weekly, and cook with olive oil instead of other fats. This gentle approach prevents overwhelming your system and allows you to assess how your body responds. Budget considerations matter for many seniors. Focus on affordable options like frozen blueberries, fresh tomatoes you can cook yourself, and nuts bought in bulk. A weekly investment of $40 to $80 covers all 10 foods, a worthwhile investment in your long-term health. Meal preparation becomes easier when you batch cook items like homemade tomato sauce with olive oil and turmeric, or prepare portions of baked salmon for multiple meals. Keep frozen blueberries on hand for quick smoothie additions. Monitor your response by noting energy levels, sleep quality, and any changes in swelling or bathroom habits. Keep a simple food diary to identify which additions make you feel best. Remember that these foods work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle, including appropriate hydration, regular gentle exercise, and stress management. Consistency matters more than perfection in supporting your kidney health journey. Remember Margaret from the beginning? After incorporating blueberries into her breakfast and cooking with olive oil daily, she noticed her ankle swelling reduced within 3 weeks. Her doctor was impressed with her improved lab results at her next visit. Supporting your kidney health through nutrition is a journey worth taking. These 10 evidence-based foods offer hope and practical options for seniors concerned about maintaining kidney function as they age. Small changes compound over time. Start with 1 or 2 foods that appeal to you and gradually build your kidney-supportive nutrition plan. If this information helped you understand new options for kidney health, please like this video and share it with friends or family members who might benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more science-based nutrition guidance specifically designed for seniors. Your kidneys and your overall health will thank you for taking this proactive step.